We look at question number 5. This question was in the year 2002. What is the value of 1.5 minus a quarter multiplied by 1 and a third divided by 1 and 2/3 plus 1/6 divided by a half? Now, in this case, this question has a numerator and it has a denominator. Now, we are going to solve the numerator and the denominator separately, and we are going to use BODMAS. Now, let us start by solving the numerator. In the numerator, we have 1 and 1/2 minus 1/4 multiplied by 1 and 1/3. Now, using BODMAS, we are going to start with multiplication because multiplication comes before subtraction. So we will have 1/4 we multiplied by. Now we need to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We take 1 multiplied by a 3 gives us a 3 plus 1 gives us 4. So we have 4/3. We simplify this, divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 1. We get 1/3. Now we are left with 1 and 1/2 minus 1/3. Now, this can be written as 1, which is a whole number. We add a half minus a third. Okay? Now, what we have done is just rearranging this. We have separated the fractions and the whole number. So, it will be 1 plus a half, you minus a third. So, this will be 1 plus. Now, we need to find the LCM of 2 and a 3. Okay? LCM of the denominators. So, LCM of 2 and a 3 is 6. So, let us write down here. You have a half minus a third. The LCM will be 6. Okay? So it will be 6 divided by 2 gives us a 3, multiplied by 1 gives us a 3. So 3 minus 6 divided by 3 gives us 2, multiplied by 1 gives us 2. When you subtract, you have 1/6. So it will be 1 plus 1/6, which gives us 1, which is the whole number, and 1/6. Therefore, the answer to the numerator will be 1 and 1/6. Okay? Now we go to the denominator. In the denominator we have 1 and 2/3 plus 1/6 divided by a half. In this case, we have addition and we have division. So, division comes before addition. So we are going to start with this, which is as 1/6 divided by a half. We write this down. So it will be 1/6 we divide by a half. This can be written as 1/6. You change the division into multiplication. Okay? Then the reciprocal of a half will be 2/1. And then we can work out. We can divide by 2. 2 divided gives us 1. 6 divided by 2 gives us a 3. So we have 1 over 3. Therefore, the answer to this will be a third. Now we write down what we have. We have 1 and 2 over a 3 plus a third. Okay? Now this can be written as 1, which is a whole number, plus 2 over 3 plus a third. Okay? Now we have done as we did in the while solving the numerator, separating the fractions and the whole number. So we work out this 2 over 3 plus a third will be 2 plus 1 gives us a 3 over a 3. Now we can simplify this by 3 1 by 3 1. So you get the final answer as 1. So it will be 1 plus 1. Okay? So it will be 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. Now 2 is the answer for the denominator. Now the answer for the numerator was 1 and 1 over 6. So the answer here will be 1 and 1 over 6. The answer for the denominator will be 2. Okay? So what we have now is 1 and 1 over 6 divided by 2. Okay? Now we know that this can be written as 1 and 1 over 6 we divide by 2. We change these into improper fraction. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. You add 1 gives us 7. So you have 7 over 6 divided by 2. This can be written as 7 over 6. Change the division sign into multiplication, and then the reciprocal of 2 will be 1 over 2. So it will be 7 over 6 multiplied by a half. This will be 7 over 12. So the final answer will be 7 over 12.